Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Now let's see how we'll solve this exponential equation. Now this x raised to the power of x equals 2 raised to the power of x plus 4. Alright, now let us recall according to the law of indices that when you have a raised to the power of m plus n equals a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. So they will have the same base. Now if I were to use this to solve this, here we have x raised to the power x equals to 2 raised to the power of x times 2 raised to the power of 4. Now at this point now, let's divide both sides by x raised to the power of, 2 raised to the power of x. Since they having 2 raised to the power of x and x to the power of x is having the same exponent. So we cancel out. So here, also here we have that x raised to the power of x over 2 raised to the power of x equals to 2 raised to the power of 4. Now let us also recall that according to the law of indices, that when you have a raised to the power of m all divided by a raised to the power of let's say b raised to the power of m, or this will give us a divided by b all raised to the power of m. Now if this, we can apply this to this. So here we have x all over 2 all raised to the power of x equals to 2 raised to the power of 4. Alright, and now at this point, what we just need to do now is let us square root both sides. Now by square rooting both sides, now take note, according to the law of indices, when you have the square root of x is the same thing as saying x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, so by so doing here, we will now have x over 2 all raised to the power of x. Now since the square root is this, now we can now bring that this way, 1 over 2, then equals, that is square root of this one also will be raised to the power of 4 all raised to the power of 1 over 2. And take note also that if you have a raised to the power of m all raised to the power of n is the same thing as saying a raised to the power of mn. Okay, now applying that law here, we have x raised to the power x over 2 all raised to the power of x over 2, which gives us 2. Now if we multiply this, so you can see that 4 we divide 2, so 2 here 1, 2 here 2, so here we have, now you can see that the left hand side and the right hand side reconciles together. So here we can now say x raised to the x over 2 equals 2. Now if we multiply 2 to both sides, so we end up having that x equals to 4. Final answer. If you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.